Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, this is the daily rant, and it's going to be directed at Microsoft in a way that I think they should understand. There are so many different red lights turned on everywhere of things that people are just going a little crazy about. And you know what? It's time to reset the counter. Maybe you could reset at 0 by doing something that should be done this year. Now, I'm far from convinced that this is going to happen. But, we've got this Windows 11 with this start menu that nothing much has happened with, and it's still not necessarily the best. We still have this Windows 11 that, as a 24H2, that is plagued with problems. Like every week it seems there's a new blocker. Every week it seems there's something happening. Every time we get Windows updates, 24H2 seems to be once again cursed with issues. And you know what? Windows 10 is going to have end of support this year. Microsoft is celebrating 50 years this year. And people, a lot of people, not everybody. I'm not a hater of Windows 11. I might sound like it. I'm more of a taking the pulse of the nation and seeing that a lot of people don't like Windows 11. And a lot of people are resisting going up to Windows 11. So how about reset to 0? Bring us a Windows 12 sometime this year with a lot of the things that we're asking for fixed. I don't care if it's roughly a Windows 11, but with fixed things. You know, this is what happened to Windows Vista. You guys remember Windows Vista was aided? Honestly, Windows 7 was Windows Vista. But it was Windows Vista with all the things that people hated fixed. And people loved Windows 7. But it was still Windows Vista. Well, maybe you can turn Windows 11 into a Windows 12, just like Vista turned into a Windows 7. And at 50 years, that would be a gift from Microsoft saying, okay, here we go. And it might be a gift for a lot of people saying, oh, wow, okay, now I can just jump over Windows 11. Because let's face it, this version is a jumper. I call them jumper versions. You jump over a version because you don't want it. People went from XP to 7, 7 to 10. Now, maybe it's time from 10 to 12. Or whatever you want to call it. How about calling it Windows 50th Anniversary Edition? That'd be a nice name, actually. The Windows 50th Anniversary Edition. Or 40th, because somebody did mention in the comments that Windows itself is 40 years old. So it could be Windows 40th Anniversary Edition. Who knows? Maybe it's time to reset all the clocks and start at 0 again. What do you guys think? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.